I say. And the one thing that really stuck out was how bad the voice acting is. Not in the sense that it's bad, but just the fact that not everything is voice acted, if that makes any sense. Oh. Oh, son of a bitch. There we go. Nice. How far up this I can go. Oh, harpoon, thank you. Can't remember if I get a weapon yet. There we go. Some spear action. Don't really remember the controls though. Okay, so it's block. What's he got on? Oh, he's got a machete. How do we put that on? I feel like there was some baddies over it. Oh, there's one wolf right there. Can I not put the torch in my offhand? Yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. Oh shit. Hit like trucks. Come on, one more. Ah. There we go. So I wonder if I could block with just my weapon. See how much that actually hits me for. Let's see. Oh, what? I can block with a one-handed weapon? I didn't know that. Ah, shit. Well, there we go. That did not work out the way I wanted it to. Fuck. Oh, alright. I guess I just lose right there. That makes sense. Some worker boots, some green attire. Wonder if that's any better than what I got. Actually it is. Slap that on. Just put that. I don't think I need another torch, but we're gonna use it anyway. Primitive satchel, yes please. That's our stash. Make some gabberries. Some jerkies, some more jerky. There we go. Take a lantern. Some iron scrap, bedroll, flint and steel. Gabberry jam, thank you. Get us some ceviche. Take some bread. I think we are good in here then, yeah. Yeah. There we go. So like I said, I've already done all this, so we're just gonna kind of speed through it. Just doing the same decisions I did on the first one. Fair. Can I get some sleep? The end is okay. I'm fine, thank you. Farewell, good sir. Shit, was there anything? Oh yeah, the water skin. So I did want to get the water skin. Like I said, I've only played like the first hour or so of this, but I messed it up and made a decision that I didn't want to make. So I just kind of bit the bullet and restarted. So the first like 20 minutes or so, I'm just going to be blasting through stuff. Let me get some fish. Oh, yeah. If only fishing was at worker boots. Okay. Some seaweed, some rainbow trout, hell yeah. I don't remember if there's anything else really to do in here. Capo, what's happening, my man? Long time no see. I want to buy something. What do you got? How do you like this game? So I played it like an hour or so. I want to say like a week ago, and I was digging it, but I ended up kind of fucking something up. Like, you know, no spoilers or anything, in case you want to play it. But I just ended up restarting it. So here we are. Oh no, dude, I sold my hat. Oh no. Oh yeah, I made $2. Here we go. 150. Okay. I have a few hours in it with my cousin months ago. How's the co-op? I have not tried this co-op. Oh, what the hell is this? It was good, not laggy at all. Oh shit. And it's like, is it the same story? Is it a different story? Like I said, I know nothing about it. It's like my first time actually being in front of my computer in about a week or so. So. Take some more bread, another. Uh-oh. Shit, what did I do? Oh, no, I don't want to rest. I thought I was picking it up. Let's disassemble it. Oh, I shouldn't have disassembled that. Damn. That's basically like a free place to sleep. Ooh. Can I just equip this? Ooh. Yeah. Never got too far into it, but I believe so. Oh, okay. So 12. Take that. Oh, damn, that's way better. Wait, what is this? What does that mean? Oh, because my pouch is overweight? How do we do like that? There we go. Now what? Alright, good. Okay. Gaberry jam. Alright. I don't really understand how you need a recipe to make Gaberry jam. All you do is just like smash it up, don't you? Looks like they added some more stuff since I last played. Oh, okay. Yeah, this game's pretty old, isn't it? It's like, what, a year or two old? Oh, mining pick, hell yeah. I'm still honestly trying to like figure out the combat mechanics. Because This game is a pain in the ass. Or maybe, I don't know, I might just be really bad at games, which could be it. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, fuck. I always forget to drop my backpack. Come on, get it. Yeah. There we go. Easy. It's a hard game, that's for sure. Hell yeah. So I played it originally, like I said, about a week ago. And, so like the beginning of the game is like your lighthouse or something is not trying to be stolen. What's the term I'm looking for? Is damn, we're hella overweight. God, I just crammed all this shit in my pockets. Like they're trying to take your lighthouse or something. Yeah, you have to pay it off. There you go. And I ended up dying, and I thought that like once you die, you just kind of respawn, but I guess that's not the case. So I ended up dying like 4 or 5 times. I ended up losing my fucking lighthouse. And I tried to